In our factory in Bielsko-Biała, we implemented EviXscan 3D solutions in the quality control department. The use of 3D scanning process of finished products has enabled precise inspection of finished products by comparing them to cut models supplied by customers. With this solution, we are certain that our products meet the highest standards of the automotive industry and that are in line with the expectations of our customers. With such a strong focus on quality control that the use of the latest developments in the field which EviXscan 3D products and services offer, Cooper Standard is a valued and trusted supplier of components for the automotive industry worldwide.